In this brief tutorial, you will see how to use a software such as Excel in order to calculate the number of days that have elapsed between two dates. The general way to do it is to subtract the ending date from the beginning date. So using this sample spreadsheet that we have here, we have an invoice date which shows the date the invoices went out, and then we have a list of companies and the respective dates that they paid the invoice. And we want to use the number of days column in order to find out how many days have elapsed between each receipt. The general way to do it is to subtract the ending date from the beginning date. So I'll click in the column that will house the formula, start with equal, and then either click or type the ending date. So that's February 5th, and then you will subtract the beginning date, January 30th, press enter, and there you have it. Now let's go further and suppose that you wanted to copy it down for the rest of the companies. Well, initially you might try just copying it down, but then you see that there's a problem. Everything just seems to go awry. The reason is that the invoice date is changing each time, and we don't want that to happen. We want it to stay absolutely the same. So let me delete or undo this. And what I want to do is set up the original formula so that this date never changes. That's called absolute reference. And in order to do that, I'll place a $sign in front of the B and in front of the 4 for that cell. A quick way to do that is to just simply press the F4 key and it does the typing for you. So now that we have that absolute reference, I'll hit the check mark and I can freely copy it and everything will be accurate. And that's our tutorial. Thank you for listening.